What's up, everybody? It's Will from Southeast Railfan here, and this is going to be something of very unprecedented times. I am doing an unboxing. Well, it's kind of a halfway in progress. You can see here the package is from Rails of Sheffield in Sheffield, I guess England in the United Kingdom. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Maybe. Let's see what we can do. No. Looks like I'm going to have to grab my Gerber knife. There's a little bit of surgery. Let's see what we can do. Alright. Sorry for the shaky camera work, guys. I have been waiting on this for a long time, guys. Or gals. This is my first-hand purchase of a United Kingdom locomotive. Most of you can probably guess what it is, but if not, here it is. The Caledonian Railway Class 812 Rails of Sheffield Exclusive Edition with sound. Oh my goodness, guys. This is nuts. This is almost surreal. This was, I pre-ordered this back when they announced it. And it's finally here. I pre-ordered this thing back, I'd say a year ago, almost. Close to a year ago when I was still in college. And I was like, you know what? I'm about to graduate. And I'm going to get myself a graduation present. And I saw this and I said, oh, buddy, we got to get ourselves one of these. But the decision that was toughest was, do I get her in this lovely scheme as she is preserved here, or obviously the one I went with, which is as she was built in the Caledonian blue with, I guess that is maroon down there. So awesome. This thing is amazing. Just can't wait to run it on the layout or take it to the club and let the guys think I'm a puddle jumper now, huh? But I have a Caledonian Railway brake coach that the guy with the pannier tank helped me out find a link to Hatton's over in the UK. And after some issues with credit card people, because I have never bought anything from the UK, got that sorted out. This was what took a while. I do applaud the credit card company, the credit card I use to, you know, track where I'm buying things and things like that. And like I call them if I go out of town or out of state for work and stuff like that. But they freaked out when I was buying something from overseas. Luckily, I will highly praise Rails of Sheffield. They were very professional. They were so helpful. They helped me out, and we did it via PayPal. My PayPal worked overseas, while my actual credit card didn't, while my credit card was tied into PayPal. Whatever, I didn't care. I wanted it, and they were making sure I did. So thank you all from Rails of Sheffield. This thing is sweet. Let's see if we can get out a sleeve here. Sorry about this, everybody. This is one-handed operations. Man, does that thing look sweet. This is the first time I'm opening this. I've been waiting on this bad boy for a long time. I will definitely try to take her down to the club and get some running in and obviously blow the whistle, because that's going to be sweet. Alright, guys. That's all I got to say for now. What a surprise to come home from work to find the Caledonian 812 class. Man, this thing's going to be wicked. Hope you enjoy, guys. You'll be seeing something from me, Will, the Southeast Railfan. And don't worry, guys, I'm not going full UK on you. I wanted to get this one. Bye for now.